Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this video is showing you how to get to a virtual lab in science. So I'm just going to take Science 8 because they currently have a virtual lab, but this could be with any of you guys. So I'm in Schoology, so I'm going to click on Science 8, and I've changed the buttons up since the first day because we live and we learn. So if I have a virtual lab and it says that it's on the HMH site, I'm going to go ahead and click there and sign in. United States, Texas, Christ Academy, my username and password. Your username is your first name dot your last name, and then your password is the same password that you use to get into your computer. Now I know that your screen is a little bit different than mine, but what you're going to do is you're going to click Discover. And 8th grade is currently in Module L for waves, so I'm going to have to change that. So make sure you're in the correct module. Module L is here. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit and see if I can find what I need. I don't want to open lesson, but let's go to all resources right here. So let's see. Do they have student resources? Right there. And that's actually the virtual lab that we want to do. So I would just click open, and you should have a paper copy of the virtual lab, but it's also in Schoology, and I can show you where that's at. But you'll start. You might want some headphones because it's going to start talking to you. You can pause it right here. Let's go back to Schoology and let's go to the actual assignment. So if I come down here and I go to Waves, lesson 1. There's the notes, there's the Generation Genius video, and another type of waves video. So this virtual lab is going to be in the labs, and it's right here. You can't see any of it. Well, you can see it, obviously, but it's all unpublished. But it's right here. And if you want to do this lab in the computer, you can open it, and you're going to want to save it to your science folder in OneDrive. If you don't do that, you may do the lab and lose it, and that would be very sad. But you'll enable editing, and then the very first thing you're going to do is come over here and save as in your OneDrive, find your science folder and save it there before you even start doing any work. Okay, so that should explain how you get to the virtual lab. Let me know if you have any questions.